So we are translating different graphs of images. And on this first one, we are going to be translating the triangle 5 units to the right and 1 unit up. So what I'm going to do is at each point, I'm going to go 5 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 unit up. And I'll make my new point, my new G point. And I'll label that. I'll do the same thing for T. 5 units to the right, 1 unit up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up 1. And I'll do the same thing for B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right, 1 up. And now you just connect your dots. And you have translated and made your new image. Okay, we can do the same thing for 2. That's as simple as that, just moving your points. This time we're going 1 unit to the left and 2 units up. So I'm going each point again, 1 to the left, 2 up. And yes, so someone just made the comment that they're going to be touching. That's okay that if they're on top of each other. Yep, just as long as you make your new points with your tick mark. So my M, and then I labeled the tick mark. Same thing for G. We're going to go 1 left, 2 up. And for my Y, 1 left, 2 up. Connect your dots. And you can see if I just took the image as a whole and shifted it to the left 1, up 2. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the back page. And now we are writing rules to describe each transformation. So for these, I want this written in a certain way. So you're going to start out with your XY. So this would be my original. And then I want an arrow. And then whatever's happening to your X coordinates, plus or minus. If it's moving to the left, and it would be subtract, to the right, add, and then for your Y, if it's up or down, add or subtract. So how your original picture is going to be in black on the screen. On your paper, it's going to be the letters without the apostrophes. And remember, with our image, our new translation, it has the tick marks. So from K, I'm just going to focus on 1 point. I don't need to, I can double check by looking at all of the other points, but I'm just going to focus on K right now. To get on my X coordinate, to get from K is at 3 on my original, and it goes 1, 2 to the right to get to this point here. So I would, since I'm moving to the right on my image, I add 2. And now from K to get from here to here, K goes down 1. When you go down, subtract 1. And that's your rule. That's it. Okay, we're going to take a look at 8 now. This time, I'm going to pick I. You can pick any point. I'm going to pick I because there's not as many lines going on around it. So I have X, comma, Y, my coordinates. So I start at my original, and I'm just moving on the x-axis. So on my original, it moves 1 to the left to get to my image. So my x coordinate, since I'm moving to the left, 1, remember, we're taking away 1. Yes, subtracting. -1. And then to get from down here to up here, I add 1. So I add 1 to my y coordinate. And I can check over here, left and up, left and up, left and up. And I'm getting all of my points for my image. And that's your rule.